If you tried the shader graph and couldn't get exactly how these nodes work, and you're confused every time you see a bunch of nodes connected, there is a solution for that. Unity provides helpful samples, and I have included a video link in the description. But in summary, if you navigate to the package manager, search the shader graph and download the samples. These node reference samples are a collection of over 140 shader graph files, and each file represents one of the nodes available in the shader. And you can learn more about each of these nodes. For example, let's open the step node, which should be in the map folder. The step node has a simple definition. It returns 1 if the in value is equal to or higher than the h input. Otherwise, it returns 0 or false. Below that, there is an under the hood section showing how we can implement this node with other nodes. It specifies using a float for in and another float for h. By comparing them, if in is greater than or equal to the h, the branch node will return 1, otherwise it returns 0. By adjusting the in number, you can observe that it returns white for 1 and black for 0. There is also a practical example. We take the UV, split it to get the R or X value, use the preview node to visualize it, and then add a step node. If you are interested, check out the provided sample. Also, be sure to check the complete video about this topic on the Unity channel.